Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to edit the SN number of the Seagate desktop hard drive. Now we have entered the COM terminal. Let's check the hard drive ID. It's 63. This is the family name. And we can see more head information, firmware information, preamplifier type from here. Okay, now let's check the SN number. Let's enter the software. So this is the SN number. How to edit this SN number? For this kind of hard drive, we need to unlock the firmware arrow first, and we have done this one before. So let's try to go to the menu, ROM edit, open file. And we can check the working directory. Where is working directory? So this one. Okay. This one, ROM. So open file. Here's the working directory. We use the original ROM because we have unlocked the firmware arrow permanently. So click ID. We can see it's E. Let's change A, B, C, D, E. So change to E. And let's see if this modification will be successful or not. Click OK. We can try to select all, selected, zone check. Because we have added the SN number, and we can try to write to HDD. After the ROM write, we can see if the SN number will be changed or not. So now we just edit SN number, but edit the ROM. So we just need to run the ROM read and ROM write. Of course, the ROM unlock first, to unlock the firmware arrow first, and then we can edit the SN number. Now we can see the ROM write has been successful, and we can power off and power on the drive. Now we can see this is the original SN number. Now let's exit the program and re-enter the software and see if the SN number has been changed or not. Okay, let's enter the software. So we can see it has been changed from D to E. Click OK. So the SN number modification is successful by this ROM edit and ROM write. Thank you for watching the video.